Okay, friends, so you see, we put this together. I threw some compost in there, and of course, I filled it a little more with compost because that will feed my onions really well, and I don't need a whole lot of dirt because onions have short roots. So from there, we went down and got this beautiful black dirt like I showed you before, and I'm just gonna fill it in there. And then I gathered up some, in that bucket over there, the container, I've got wood chips and a little bit of sand, and I'm gonna mix it in with it, and it'll make it a nice soil for my onions. Nice and loose. I think this might be where we can lift it, you think? And dump it in there, and then I'll mix the other one in with it. Yeah, see, that's good. See, it's moldy. Composting beautiful. Okay. Whoops.
Yeah, pick it up from the bottom.
There we go. That's good. Well, what did you find else? This is beautiful dirt. Beautiful, beautiful. And it's mixed with some leaves. Nice parsley. Pretty much composted down. Yeah, I like it. See that? That'll feed your plants so nice down in there. I don't think I need any of that other stuff. I think this is going to be good. And then I'm going to throw a little bit of triple 12 in here just to make sure it's got some good nutrients. Perfect. You see that soil is nice, and it's a nice loose soil, and that's what you need for onions and potatoes because that promotes the bulb growth. Otherwise, if they're too compacted, your bulbs won't get big bulbs, they'll just grow big tops. All right, so I'm gonna go and get my fertilizer and my onion bulbs. Well, how about we plant these onions now that I got this all done? I put a little bit of triple 12 in them. Help me plant them? They can't see you, only your hands maybe. These are beautiful. You don't want any of the ones that are dried up. So, okay, when we plant these, you're going to want to make sure this end here is the root. I don't know if you can see it. And then the little long stalk, you're going to want to put them about a good an inch down in, just enough to where it's covered up. And then about a good 4 inches apart from each other. I'm not going to cover them up yet. Yep, that's the top, yep. And just push it down in. And then they'll have nice bulbs. A little too far. There we go. don't even need to dig a trench. You can just push them down in. About 4 inches apart all the way around them. Nice loose soil. No, do we have, where did they stop? We don't have anything over here, do we? This little section?
Right.
Oh. Now just lightly cover them. That's all you do. I'll give them a nice little watering. Have some nice, oops. Have some nice onions. There. That's it, friends. Those are planted. Yep, perfect. That one don't need to be covered. That, friends, is how easy it is to plant onions. Nice little area. Perfect. Got their own spot. Nice soft soil, loose. I gave it a little triple 12 fertilizer. It's got the compost underneath. They'll do beautiful. I'll have a nice little crop of onions. My husband's just gonna dig that stump out because it's rotten. But look what he found. Another one of those bowls that we found clear over in our by our pond when we were digging up stumps there. Isn't that something? Absolutely not broken, cracked, or anything. So that's pretty cool. It wasn't a root. It was a long post. See it? I'll hone in on it. It was just a long post. And it was way in the ground. Yeah, that's out. There's a hole where it was. And we'll fill it in now. That was my day. And hubby helped me. And everything went well. And by the way, the box there for the onions, I went to the hardware and I got short pieces. I paid $1 for each of those pieces of wood. So that box there, right there, I can't see it because of the sun, only cost me $4.20. And the dirt was free because it was down at the village. That one that we just put in, that cost, oh, we got 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 8 boards and they were $2 a piece. So that one cost 16 bucks. Not bad. Those logs in the potato garden, those were what we cut down. Let me turn you around here. Right there. And right there. Those are logs that we cut down when we cut down pine trees, and there's another one over in that area. So, this was a nice day, and I'm glad you came along with me. But now, I'm gonna go in, and I'm gonna take such a wonderful bubble bath with bubbles to my chin, like the old commercial, Calgon, take me away, because I am sore and I am tired. So there you have it, friends. Thanks for watching. How come you don't come outside no more, Charlie? Charlie? Charlie girl? How come you don't come outside no more? All you do is lay on the chair. Lay on the chair. Aww. Oh, where you going? Come here, Charlie. Come here, girl. You're such a good girl. Oh boy, that feels good, don't it? You're so pretty. You're so pretty.